What did the pirate say when he turned 80? I'm 80. Hello again everybody and welcome back. Right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the SoundPeats headphones. And they're a wireless headphone and they're really, really cheap. And personally, I'm a bit tall, so wires aren't really that long. But let's take a look at them. So that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's crack on. Right, so first of all, I want to thank SoundPeats for sending these out for me to review and have a look at. And if you are interested in buying any, I will leave a link in the description down below. Right, so they're what come through the post. True wireless without bondage. Are you into bondage? Comment down below. So inside the box as well, you actually get 3 rubber ends that you can put on, so different sizes to fit your ear, which is quite a good idea to be honest, because everyone's got different sized ears, haven't they? And then it comes with a micro USB cable. I do like how it's packed in the box, really simple, really nice. And then that's the product itself. As you can see, I don't know if I've got big hands, but it's really small, it's really light, and then that's what it looks like inside. Banging. And then in the bottom of the box you get your instruction manual, and that's quite a lot thicker than the user manuals you usually get. That was really hard to say that. Right, so I've never owned any of these because when I usually look at wireless headphones, they cost a bomb. And for the amount of time I use them, I don't want to pay a lot of money for it. And to say these only cost $32.99, and that's in pounds, and I think dollars it works out around the same as well, I think they're quite a steal. So when you take them out, it's actually magnetic. And when you put it back in, there you go, it starts charging up inside the case. The back of the case, you can see there's a micro USB port. That's what you charge up. The headphones alone, they give you about 3 to 4 hours just constant listening. You bang them back in that case like that, starts charging up, and this case, it can charge, I think it's around 40 hours worth. So that's awesome. So I've got them out and I'm going to plug them in as is. I'm not sure how they're meant to sit. I'm not sure what... Oh, someone's talking to me. Pairing. Look at that. Hey, I like them because the Airpods, they seem to have a long white bit at the bottom. I think they look a bit, you look a bit of a pillock in them anyway. But these ones, look at that. That one did start to come out a little bit, but that was an arse shake, that. You know? Whoa. And they're still in, look. So if you're at the gym running on the treadmill, things like that, doing your weights, or even on that dreaded rowing machine, these bad boys ain't going to fall out. And it comes with a pack with 3 different sizes of earbuds as well to fit your ears. They're sound, them. Right, so I did just go off to test them, and honestly, I'm so impressed, it's unreal. As you can see, I've snapped them back into the box, and as you can see, it's red, which will mean it's charging. The sound quality is awesome. It's not really bassy. I put it on full whack as well, which means full volume. It's really loud, but it doesn't lose quality. Also, when you take them out the box, they turn on straight away. You click that one once, it'll either pause or play the song from your device. You'll double click it, it'll skip it. Double click the left one, it'll back skip it. Long hold the left button for more than 1.5 seconds, not too long, otherwise it switches off. But then it starts Siri or your Google Assistant, which is awesome as well. But I love that magnetic thing, you know, when you put it in and it just snaps in like that, and that's it, jobs are good and done. I love it. But like I say, I thought I were going to look at them, I thought they were going to be dog shit, especially for £32. But honestly, if you do listen to music and you do get fed up of having a wire, I did leave it in the living room while I went upstairs and in the kitchen, and they did stay connected as well, so you don't have to have your device on your pocket with you. You can leave it on the chair arm while you go and wash the pots or something, and it stays connected. When you're on a call, the volume is great, the mic's great on it, everything's just awesome. Do comment down below if you do have a pair of these as well. I'm not sure if you can turn the volume up and down. I did have to start Siri up to be able to tell it to turn the volume down, but that was the only thing I found that didn't really work for me. But I'm definitely going to be using them. I love them. But yeah, that's it. I just thought I'd let you know about them. They sent me some out, and I think they're going to give us a couple of pairs to give away to my subscribers as well, which is always good news and what we like to hear. But yeah, as we know, Free Tech is probably the worst reviewer of products, but he's also the most honest. and I would buy them. They're awesome. Right, so that's me. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of your day. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!